I'm going to show you how to register for classes, your Momoyoga, Qigong, or Law of Attraction Club classes on a desktop or a laptop computer. So there are 4 places that you can find the classes. You can go to momoyoga.com by simply typing it into the URL, or you can go to Google and type in Momoyoga and go to the website this way. Once you're on the website, the menu up here is virtual classes. Click here, and now you will see all of the classes that are available and all of the dates. Simply click whichever class you want to take, click book now, and this will now take you to the Momoyoga website. If you are already logged in, it will allow you to log in directly, and you can simply click book now to register your class. A few other places you can find it. If you're looking for Qigong classes, you can also find it on the Balance for Life website, which is simply balanceforlife.com. And if you find the tab here that says Qigong classes, click here, and you'll be able to do the same thing. You can book the classes by clicking book now for any of the classes you'd like to take, and it takes you back to the exact same place, momoyoga.com, where you'll be able to book your classes here. You can also go to the lawofattractionfreedom.com and typing in lawofattractionfreedom.com, and if you click on LOA Club, this takes you also to the same exact menu of options where you can book your classes. And so you'll be able to choose which class you want to take, click book now, and it takes you back to the exact same momoyoga.com where you can then book your class. Make sure that you go all the way through the process and confirm that you're going to book your class. The last place you can go on a desktop or laptop is just simply go to momoyoga.com/boyoga. Just type this in, and you can then save this as a bookmark or as a tab on your computer, and you can come back to this anytime you like, and you'll be able to see classes you've already scheduled, classes that you'd like to take. You'll be able to renew your membership or to try different classes as well. Make sure to go through all the way to the end after booking your class to make sure that you get the confirmation email. So once you book it, you'll see the confirmation you booked your class, and within 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to get an email to the email that you have registered on file with the link. Now you can see the confirmation email. You have booked your class. Click here, and you should have the link that will take you right into the class. If you've booked several, you're going to see them perhaps all at once. You will also receive an email 30 minutes before the class starts with the exact same link. You can also sign in through Zoom directly by using the meeting ID and the password that's listed here. Now, it's very important that you book your class in advance. If you wait too long, if you book the class at 9:01, the class will no longer be available. You can only book classes before they happen, even if they're in the process of happening. So please book your classes well in advance.